All right, what up, y'all? So, just a quick Impala tip or whatever. But if you get some aftermarket tail lights, they sort of are plug and play, but they kind of not. So, what you have to do, of course, is these three things. So, I'll get these off real quick, and I'll be right back. All right, so got these, all three of these off, plus this, which came here. So you might have to pop this off. But once you get all that out the way, just pull the carpet back. It's three, so it's the three screws or whatever in there. Twist those off by hand. Then you get your old tail lights off. So we'll just pretend these are factory. But what you have is this harness. So see if I can slide this off with one hand, maybe. All right, so yeah, takes two hands. But once you get your factory tail lights out, this harness will be on your tail lights. So I think on the factory ones, it's like maybe 2 clamps or something. But basically, you'll take this whole harness off, and you will take it off of your factory tail lights, bring it to your aftermarket tail lights because they won't have a harness, and you'll just put it in place just like normal, and you're connected to the wires that come out. Since they're not bulbs in here, it's just the wires, but the wires are set up just like how the bulb plug is. So you just plug that in for each one. Double check, because if you plug them up backwards, they won't work. So just make sure you get your plugs together. I think this one just didn't fit right or whatever when I first did it, but these have been on the car for I don't know, probably like 3 years or something, so I hadn't had the issue. But you will have to take your reverse light from your old tail lights, because these don't come with reverse lights, so you will have to carry that over with the harness. But walls are going crazy. I hope these the regular ones and not the murder hornets that was scaring people with. But yeah, and that's it. And depending on which taillights you have, they will have these little blocks on here. These are for the hyper flash, to keep it from blinking super fast when you signal, due to it being LEDs instead of regular lights. So depending on which taillights you have, these will either be taped on, screwed on, or they might just be hanging. And if they are hanging, what I did with my other LED taillights was I put like some 3M on it, and I just had it stuck down in there somewhere, so it wouldn't be hanging and dangling around, so it just kind of stay put. But once you do that, you're good to go. And then you just plug them up like normal, and everything is good. So yeah, so then you end up with your new taillights. But for the most part, pretty simple. As close to plug and play as you're gonna get. But yeah, that's that. So hope it helps.